Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Tamago Sando, Japanese egg sandwich. To make egg sandwich, you of course need boiled eggs. And you don't want to use overcooked boiled eggs because the egg yolk is too dried out. To make perfect eggs for egg sandwich, prepare some eggs straight out from the fridge, still cold, and put them in a pot or a skillet and add some water. The water doesn't have to cover the eggs completely. It can be halfway of the eggs. Put a lid on and bring it to boil. And when it comes to boil, set a timer for 7 minutes. It's always 7 minutes no matter how many eggs you're boiling. 2 eggs, 7 minutes, 10 eggs, 7 minutes. After 7 minutes cooking, you take the eggs out in ice water to stop cooking. So this is how you make perfect boiled egg for egg sandwich. These are what you need. 2 slices of Japanese white bread, nice and fluffy. 2 boiled eggs, perfectly cooked. Salt and pepper. 1 tablespoon mayonnaise, Kewpie mayo if available. A pinch of sugar, 1 tablespoon butter. I'm going to make the egg filling first. So let's put 1 eggshell removed in a mug like this, and you're going to squish it. And it's easier to do this in a mug like this rather than in a bowl like this. If you use this kind of bowl, egg will run away from you when you try to squish the egg. So use mug and squish it using fork. And here, you can see the egg yolk is not runny, but it's not completely cooked. It's still moist inside. Squeeze the egg until it becomes like this. Egg white is still a little bit chunky. Let's add the salt and pepper. It's about 1/3 teaspoon. Pinch of sugar. 1 tablespoon Japanese Kewpie mayonnaise. And mix it well. So this is how egg filling looks like. Now I'm going to spread this butter on both bread then the filling on 1 bread. Spread it all over. We're going to cut this crust off later on, so leave some gap around the edge. And prepare egg slicer like this, or you can of course use knife. And let's slice this egg. Then you push it to make flat and long like this. Place it in the middle, diagonal. These slices of egg give nice visual to your sandwich. You will see later on. Let's put this aside and put this bread on top with the butter side facing down. Press it gently. And prepare plastic film and wrap this sandwich as tight as you can do. Just like this, and let it sit for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes resting, remove the film and cut the crust off. We normally make sandwich without crust, but if you like crust, you can leave it on. The slices of egg are here, so I'm going to cut it in half into triangle shape. This way. And this is how it looks inside. The slices of egg give nice visual to the sandwich. Let's serve them on the plate. And it's good to go. Enjoy! That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!